guys, so this is the second question that I am going to be doing on your worksheet. It is actually labeled as question 3 on your worksheet, and the question is, how many moles are in 355 grams of zinc? Okay, so remember, as always, we are going to build that roadmap. I build it every single time. So you know that you are starting with grams, right? So you have grams of zinc. That's what you're starting with. And it looks like in the problem, you're trying to get to moles. Okay, so that's how I always start every single problem. Now, you need to think to yourself, okay, so I have grams. I need grams to go away and then I can get to moles. The conversion factor that you should be thinking of that you're going to be using is going to be molar mass. Okay. So now that we know this, let's get this problem started. So you know that you have 355 grams. So I'm going to go 355 grams. Make sure you have the units of zinc. Okay. Like I said before, if you want to put that over 1 so you know that's in the numerator, please feel free to do that. So you know that you're going to multiply it by some sort of conversion factor so that I can get rid of the grams and make my way to moles. So I'm going to put my multiplication symbol, and then I'm going to draw my line. Okay, so now what you want to do is you want to take a look and see where you need to place your units to make them disappear, to make grams disappear. So, like before, you have gram of zinc in the denominator, which means that for it to cancel, you need grams of zinc in the denominator. So up here, it is in the numerator. For it to cancel, you need it in the denominator. Okay, it should be a common theme that you guys are going to see. So if you have grams of zinc, right, you know that moles of zinc is going to be on the top. So what I'm hoping that you will do is you will go to your trusty periodic table and you will find out what the molar mass is of zinc. And if you take a look at your periodic table, this number right here will tell you that the molar mass of zinc is 65.38, and that's grams per mole. Okay, so since we know that number, let's go back to the problem now. So we know that we are going to be using our molar mass that was in our periodic table, right? So we looked it up. And now I know that I need the grams on the bottom, the mole on the top. So the way your molar mass is 1 mole of zinc has a mass of 65.39 grams. All right. First thing you always want to do is you want to check to make sure that your units disappear, because that is extremely important, or at least the units you want to disappear. So if you take a look, you have grams of zinc in the numerator, grams of zinc in the denominator. That leaves you with moles. Guess what? You're trying to get to moles. Okay, so now that you have confirmed that, go ahead and do your math. Take 355, divide it by 65.39. That should give you the number of moles. So if you calculate it properly, your answer should be 5.43 moles of zinc. Please do not forget the units. All right, and that's the work through for problem 3.